Explorer 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015, Combo 9005 LED headlight is a top-notch lighting upgrade for your vehicle. Manufactured by IHNZCB, a trusted brand in the industry, this model, designated as 9005 headlight plus H11 fog light, offers a blend of reliability and performance. Weighing just 9.9 ounces, the dimensions of 7.32 inches, 5.04, 2.05 inches make it a compact yet powerful choice. The item model number 9005 plus H11 and the manufacturer part number INZB 9005 plus H11 ensure easy identification and compatibility. With an exterior finish in chrome, this headlight and fog light combo is designed for the front position of your vehicle. The utilization of light-emitting diode, LED, technology ensures a bright and energy-efficient lighting solution. Operating at 12 volts with a power output of 120 watts, this product guarantees enhanced visibility and safety during driving. Upgrade your Ford Explorer with this efficient lighting setup and experience the road like never before.
Bulb is an impressive lighting solution that stands out with its remarkable features and technical specifications. Manufactured by TechMax, a reputable brand known for its quality products, this LED bulb is designed for various specific uses, making it a versatile option for different lighting needs. With a brightness of 20000 lumens, the TechMax 9012 bulb ensures powerful illumination that is essential for optimal visibility in various settings. Whether used in automotive applications as an auto part positioned at the front or in other settings requiring bright lighting, this bulb delivers reliable performance. The sleek gray color and compact design of the TechMax 9012 bulb make it an aesthetically pleasing addition to any setup. The item weighs only 4.6 ounces and comes in package dimensions of 4.57 inches, 4.49 inches, 2.32 inches, making it easy to install and handle. Equipped with a voltage rating of 32 volts, the TechMax 9012 bulb offers efficient energy consumption.
LED bulb in 6000K35W is a high-quality lighting solution suitable for a wide range of applications. Manufactured by Sino-Parcel, this bulb offers exceptional performance and durability. Technical details. Brand, Sino-Parcel. Specific uses for product, bulb, brightness, 20000 lumen. Item package quantity 1, color, 6000K. Voltage, 12 volts. Auto part position, front outer. Operating life, 30000 hours. Manufacturer Sino-Parcel. Model D2S. Item weight, 3.84 ounces. Product dimensions, 2.75 inches, 3.82 inches, 1.99 inches. Item model number D2S, manufacturer. Part number USSP D-LED D2SR, mirror lighting type. Automotive exterior headlight bulbs. The Sino-Parcel D2S LED bulb stands out for its impressive brightness of 20000 lumens and a color temperature of 6000 K, providing a clear and bright light output. With a low voltage requirement of 12 volts, this bulb is energy efficient and long-lasting, with an operating life of 30000 hours.
D2S LED bulb in 6000K offers impressive performance for those seeking advanced lighting solutions. With a brightness of 20000 lumens and a color temperature of 6000 K, this bulb provides exceptional illumination while ensuring a clear and crisp light output. Manufactured by Sino-Parcel, a trusted brand known for quality products, this bulb is designed for specific use as a front-outer automotive headlight bulb. The operating life of 30000 hours ensures durability and longevity, making it a reliable choice for those in need of long-lasting lighting solutions. The Sino-Parcel D2S LED bulb is lightweight at 3.84 ounces and compact with product dimensions of 2.75 inches, 3.82 inches, 1.99 inches, making it easy to install in various vehicle models. The item package includes one bulb and operates at 12 volts, suitable for a range of automotive applications. Overall, the Sino-Parcel D2S LED bulb 6000K combines efficiency, durability, and performance, making it a top choice for IND.
DH616 Cobb 12W LED aluminum bulbs by GLL are a high-quality lighting solution suitable for a range of applications. With a wattage of 10 watts and a voltage of 12 volts, these bulbs offer bright illumination while being energy efficient. The package contains two bulbs, making it convenient for various lighting setups. One notable feature of these bulbs is their long operating life of up to 50,000 hours, ensuring durability and longevity. The white color of the light emitted adds a clean and modern look to any environment. Additionally, with an item weight of 2.11 ounces and compact package dimensions of 4.09 inches, 3.86 inches, 1.06 inches, these bulbs are easy to handle and install. Manufactured by GLL, a trusted brand in the industry, these bulbs meet high standards of quality and performance. The manufacturer part number is FL0076GZ, and the bulbs are designed for use in the front auto part position. The product is not discontinued by the manufacturer. Overall, the BA20DH6